We are going to be connecting Disney's latest and greatest movie, Moana, with your favorite Frozen sisters, Elsa and Anna. But you may be shocked to hear that this has nothing to do with the princesses themselves, but this has to do with the symbols found in Moana as well as Frozen, like the swirl that you see in the title, the swirl that you see on the boat that they use, and also the heart of Te and how that relates to the trolls, because these trolls are also heavily influenced with swirls. As you can see by this picture, you can see swirls from the outfits in the cape that Anna's wearing, and also in this GIF that I played a few times. You can definitely see the swirls. And also something that they have light up crystals, and you know what else lights up? The heart of Te. So I think it closely relates to the same kind of magic. And when Maui is defeating Tamatoa, an Easter egg that they included was Maui transforms into Sven just for a millisecond. And also in Zootopia, you can see a Moana and Frozen Easter egg found, which is super clever. But what does it mean? I circled Norway at the top, and then where Moana takes place is to the side of it. So they're kind of not too close. But in the Wikipedia, it says that they dwell in isolated rocks and caves, and they're associated with landmarks and different things like that, which had me think of the Kakamora, how they look so plain and kind of cute until they transform and their personalities come out, which is kind of like how the trolls just look like rocks, and you would never ever think that they would be trolls because they just look plain. Which had me thinking, what if these Kakamora evolved into these trolls, since Moana happened 2,000 years earlier, or they could be closely related creatures or something like that. So, which also has me thinking that since Tangled was found in Frozen, we can add Tangled into the mix by seeing that swirl on the magical flower, and which would also explain why these guys look so close to Hans. Hate you, Hans. Anyways, Hercules and Mulan are also have that swirl, which would also explain why they're kind of in the same region, and that's how all the magic is related into those movies. So thank you for watching. If you have any evidence or criticism, please comment down below. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching.